Stacy here. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you're being safe, I hope you're being kind, and I hope you're being responsible. I hope you're being safe by having walking feet in the house, making sure your feet are on the ground. I hope you're being kind by using your kind words and being kind to those around you. I hope you're being responsible. If you make a mess, if you take out your toys and make a mess, clean it up. But when we clean up, let's make sure we're putting our toys back where they belong. Today, we're going to talk a little bit more about being responsible, okay? So, we have to take care of seeds. All right, so we have to try to get these seeds to grow. So, my question is, how does a seed grow? Well, let's look at the stuff in front of me. I have a bowl of water. I have a Ziploc bag. I have a paper towel. And I have 1, 2, 3 seeds, lima beans. Let's see what happens when we put all of this together. What do you think will happen over the next couple of days? So, first I'm going to wet my paper towel. I'm going to make sure that it's not dripping wet, because if it's this wet, then my seeds could rot and then they wouldn't grow. We want to make sure it's damp, okay? Not too wet and not too dry. If it's dry, the seeds won't grow. Okay, let's put it in the bag. Now, I'm going to take my 3 lima beans, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put them on the paper towel. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to now zip it up, nice and tight. Okay, and that's all. But I'm still going to tape it into the window because it needs sunlight. But there's no soil. There's no dirt. Do you think this will grow without dirt? Well, we'll have to see. Okay? So I'm just going to do this. I have my damp paper towel. I have my 3 seeds in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to tape it onto my window. I have tape right here. When I tape it up there, I'm going to observe, I'm going to see how my seed changes over the next couple of days. I wonder if it will grow roots and a stem. And I wonder if it does grow that, what will come first, roots or stem? So I'm going to observe, I'm going to see what happens first. And if it even grows, because there's no dirt and there's no soil, I'm just keeping a damp paper towel. I'm not going to let it get dry. I'm going to be responsible and make sure that my paper towel stays damp. Because if it dries out, that won't help the seeds grow. And if it's too wet, that will rot the seeds. So we need to make sure our paper towel is damp. Okay? I'm going to stick this up in the window. Right. I have my pencil. So, there it is. This window gets sunlight in the afternoon. So let's draw our observation so far. So this is my observation paper. What I see. This is what I see. I see 3 lima beans. And I don't see any change yet. That'll take a couple days. Might take a week before I see any change, before I see any roots or stem. But I'm also wondering if it will even grow. What do you think will happen? Do you think it will even grow without dirt? Make a prediction. What do you think will happen? Now, I have 2 more bags hanging in the window on the other side of my house, which is the window that gets the sun in the morning. And I have another bag of lima beans in a closet I wonder what will happen to the bag that's in the closet, to the lima beans in there. I wonder if they'll even grow because they don't have any sunlight. It's just in the closet. I wonder what will happen. And I wonder what will happen to my lima beans in the other window on the other side of the house that's facing the sun in the morning. Because these lima beans here are facing the sun in the afternoon. So I wonder which one, if they do, will grow fast, will quicker. Which one will have roots first, will have a stem first. I wonder if it will be the one in the window on this side of the house where the sun shines in the afternoon, or if it will be in the window on the other side of the house where the sun shines in the morning, or in the closet, the one in the closet, the lima beans in the closet. I wonder which one will have roots happen first, have a stem, or grow at all, because remember, there's no dirt. So I'm excited because you will be able to do this at home. In a couple days, you'll be getting a Ziploc bag, lima beans, and a paper towel. And remember, make sure your paper towel is damp, not really wet and not dry, okay? Make sure it's damp. That will definitely help with it growing, okay? So have fun when you receive that. Make sure you do your observation tool, your observation paper. Draw what you see each day, okay? And then we'll meet back next week and we'll see what happened to my seeds at home. And I'm curious to hear about how your seeds are doing at your house. All right, so that will be coming in the mail in a little bit. All right, well, have a nice week. Meet back next week. Bye-bye.